Hello, I am about to water some of my haworthias and lithops. So I have added little bit of fungicide and a seaweed fertilizer because I just forgot a while back to give fungicide to my cactus and my taproot cactus. Like two of them got mushy and rotten. So yeah, I don't want to do that again to my cactuses and succulents because some of them can be very pricey. Okay, so this one is silver swirl haworthia. Look at it, how bushy and how well it's growing, how healthy this plant is. I am removing all the old leaves just to make it look nicer, and I'm spraying because dust and pollution settles on top of all my plants because my house is on the main road, so there's a lot of traffic till 12 midnight. The next one is Haworthia symbiformis xantha gold, and the soil is just cocoa fiber with little bit of stones and little bit of compost. That's it, and it's growing so well. It's such a hardy plant. Haworthias are very famous for that. Like, even if you are watering too much, they will survive. But look how beautiful the golden look is, almost like neon green. And this one is turgida, which is flowering. It's just cocoa fiber the soil, because I did not change the soil which I got from seller since many like ages ago. I need to add little bit of compact soil because water just drains out and the soil doesn't drink a lot of water, but still it's thriving, I should say. If I have to pick one succulent or cactus, that will be lithops. So singular form is also called lithops and multiples are also called lithops, and I just changed the soil last night and made it very gravelly, and you can see all the water is flowing out now. And they comes in so many colorful like colors and shapes and size, like they are so beautiful. This bowl has Cupriae obtusa, which looks like grapes growing from ground, with the silver swirl pups, but I like this comes on the second place. Oh my god, the Cupriae looks so cute and they are so translucent. When light falls on them, they look gorgeous, gorgeous. Look at this bowl of Haworthia Cupriae var obtusa, and they becomes reddish orangish when they are sun stressed and lack water. So they look again absolutely like grapes. Oh my god, I just can't get over them. They comes in pinkish colors and orangish colors, which I really want to have one day, but as of now I have so many of it. And oh my god, this plant is gorgeous, like a must have. Last one in today's video is Haworthia hybrid cuspidata. Again, it's flowering so much. The soil is so basic, it's just cocoa fiber and nothing else. I will be adding and changing soil a little bit, but it's so gorgeous plant. It is small as of now, but it's giving great results. And these were all the haworthias and lithops in this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. I will meet you in the next video, and bye.